Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the bottle is sealed, in date, and the solution is clear. Contaminated solution risks irritation. Once done, wash and fully dry your hands because moisture and lint transfer to lenses. Next, remove any outer cap or tamper strip while keeping the bottle upright. Place thumb under the base with index and middle finger on the sides so you have a secure, controlled grip before attempting to open the cap. You now open the cap by twisting counterclockwise using steady, even pressure until you feel the stop or click. This avoids sudden spills. If the cap is childproof, press down while twisting or wrap a damp cloth around it for extra grip because friction helps without extra force. Once open, tilt the bottle slightly away from your face. Squirt 1 or 2 drops into the lens bowl and make sure the nozzle never touches your fingers, lenses, or container to prevent contamination. You finish by wiping the nozzle with a clean tissue, replacing the cap tightly, and storing the bottle upright at room temperature to maintain sterility. If the cap is stuck, try running warm water over it briefly or use a rubber jar opener for extra grip. Never use knives or screwdrivers that could damage the seal. If the solution appears cloudy or you get eye irritation, stop immediately, discard the bottle, and contact your eye care professional for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.